Who would have thought that a man could build a wind generator using only 3 discarded fan blades? He first drills holes in the blades with a power drill, then uses screws to fix the blades to a wheel hub, and removes the extra rod in the center. Next, he welds square steel tubes into a rectangular frame, installs a motor, and vertically fixes a brushless angle grinder head onto the motor. After testing the rotation flexibility, he welds brackets on both sides. Then, he inserts bearings and threaded rods into both ends of an iron pipe, welds iron plates, and makes a triangular support base, finally spraying it with red paint. At last, he uses square tubes and plastic boards to create a fishtail-shaped vane, completing a simple wind generator. Placed outdoors, natural wind drives the blades to rotate, allowing the motor to generate electricity and easily light a bulb. You have to admire his creativity. It's truly impressive.